Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve another popular problem, number 75, sort colors. And the problem says given an array nums with n objects colored red, white or blue, sort them in place, okay? So that the objects of the same color are adjacent with the colors in order red, white and blue, okay? And we'll use the integers 0, 1, 2 to represent colors red, white and blue. So 0 is red, 1 is white and 2 is blue. And we want to solve this problem without using any library sort function. So what I'm seeing is we have this array, and I will use one pointer I, which is to traverse the array from left to right, and I will sort as humanly with the way we sort things. So I will compare this left position, which is, and this right position, and I will compare these two, and if they are not where they should be, I will swap them. So this 2 should be on the right because we want it on the right, and we want this 0 on the left. So we swap this 2. Okay, now what we need to do is, as we have swapped, so this position has been processed, so we'll increment the we'll decrement the right because we have done with this, and we don't want anything to do with these pointers. So now this will go. We'll look for another value. So now if we have encountered a 0, so we'll move this, like we want to go to the next value, right? So and we want to take our ref pointer with us. So here it is 0, we wanted 0, so we'll increment these two both, and we have found our 2. So what we'll do is this 2 should be swapped with this 1. So we'll swap that, and again we'll move our pointers accordingly. So this 2 will be there and this 1 will come over here, and we want to decrement our right pointer towards the left, and when we are seeing the 1, we don't want to do anything, we just want to increment our left pointer towards the right, or the current pointer towards the right. So this has been done, and we'll stop when both the current pointer and right pointer has been reached, so that indicating that our array has been sorted the way we want. Okay, so this is the algorithm, and this algorithm is known by a popular name called partition sort. So that is the algorithm which I have applied over here, and we want to keep our algorithm the way I described. So we'll make this short and we'll put it on the top, so that when we are writing code, this will help us. So okay, so we have 2 pointers at left and right. This is length of nums -1, and we have I is equals to 0, which is our current pointer. This is the current pointer, and if we encounter a 2 like we do for the first time, I want to swap it with the right position where we were. Nums of r, and we want, once we are done, we want to decrement our right pointer. Otherwise, if we encounter a 0 that we do in the second step, we want to swap it with the left. So nums of left will be swapped with the current pointer. This is nums of L, and we want to increment both our current and left pointers. Otherwise, we just want, if we are seeing a 1, then we just want to increment our current pointer, and this we want to do until we have, until both my current and right have been met from left and right. And now let's run our code for one example test case. Okay, now let's run it for this one big example test case that I've created, and let's run it. Okay, so it has been accepted. Now let's submit our code and see how it performs for all the test cases. Okay, so it is faster than 90% of the people. That's great, and we have solved this problem as per the constraint in one pass and without using any extra space. So the time complexity for this is O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1. Okay, where n is the number of elements in the input nums array. So that's how you solve this problem. Thank you.